Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello? Yes? Come in. Give me a sec. I'm coming. Hi.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Troy. I'm here to fix the toilet.
Oh, now really isn't a good time.
Right now is the only time we have available for the next 4 months.
I have to leave in the next like 5 minutes. Is it possible for you to come back?
No, sorry. Like I said, right now is the only time we have available for the next 4 months.
Oh, yeah, all right, come in.
Okay. What seems to be the issue?
Yeah, it's still not working.
Let me take a look. Whoa, 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 whoa.